Are you looking for the top 5 best glass whiteboards for your workspace? Tired of messy notes and cluttered desks? Here are the 5 best glass whiteboards I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Varomax Glass Desk Whiteboard. The Varomax Glass Desk Whiteboard caught my eye right away, especially with its built-in storage compartments and sleek design, all for just $24.99. If you want to declutter your workspace while keeping your notes handy, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This whiteboard sits perfectly between your monitor and keyboard, making it easy to jot down memos, reminders, or brainstorm ideas mid-meeting. Plus, with a 4mm thick tempered glass surface, you get smooth writing and erasing without any residue. It's not just a whiteboard, it's a multifunctional desktop organizer with space for pens, clips, and even your phone. Now, some people complained about its size, saying it feels a bit small for extensive notes. Here's the thing though, if you primarily need it for quick reminders and to-dos, that compactness actually works in your favor. It keeps you organized without taking up too much desk space. This is perfect for you if you work from home or in a small office and need a stylish way to jot down quick notes. But skip this one if you're looking for a large whiteboard to facilitate group brainstorming sessions. At this price, it's a great value considering its design and functionality. Now, if the compact size of the Varomax bothered you, the next one on my
Product number 2, Amusite Glass Magnetic Dry Erase Board. The Amusite Glass Magnetic Dry Erase Board immediately impressed me with its shatter-resistant tempered glass and sleek frameless design, priced at $38.99. If you're looking for a durable and stylish option for your office or home, this one's worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you. With a size of 24 by 18, it's large enough to display notes and photos using the included magnets, making it perfect for presentations. The ultra-smooth writing surface means effortless writing and quick, streak-free erasing. Plus, the reinforced steel backing adds extra durability. No worry about it falling off the wall. Now, a few users mentioned that the installation could be tricky without help. But here's the thing, once you get it up, you'll appreciate how it looks and performs. It's a trade-off for a stylish board that's built to last. This is perfect for you if you want a board that combines functionality with aesthetics, but skip this one if you're not comfortable with mounting it yourself. At this price, it's a solid investment for a long-lasting, stylish whiteboard. Alright, that was a solid option. Product number 3, QueenLink Magnetic Glass Whiteboard. The QueenLink Magnetic Glass Whiteboard really took my breath away with its sleek, frameless design and smooth surface, priced at $45.99. If you want a board that looks fantastic while delivering functionality, this is definitely one to consider. Here's why this matters for you. Its seamless design maximizes the writing surface while resisting stains and ghosting, meaning it'll stay looking pristine even after heavy use. Plus, the strong magnets make it easy to hang documents or photos. The dimensions of 24 by 18 inches give you plenty of writing space without overwhelming your wall. However, I did notice some complaints about the magnet strength not being suitable for standard fridge magnets. Here's the thing though, the included strong magnets work beautifully for displaying notes, so it's not really a deal breaker if you keep that in mind. This is perfect for you if you love modern design and want a board that enhances your workspace, but skip this one if you're hoping to use regular magnets. It's a great value for a stylish piece that's built to perform. Now, if the magnet issue on the QueenLink concerns you, then let's take a look at some. Product number 4. Okie Dokie Black Glass Dry Erase Whiteboard. Next up is the Okie Dokie Black Glass Dry Erase Whiteboard, which combines modern aesthetics with practicality, priced at $25.99. If you're looking for a unique style that stands out, this is worth your attention. Here's why this matters for you. With its beautiful black surface and frameless design, it not only serves as a functional whiteboard, but also as a stylish decor piece. Plus, it's easy to clean, so you won't have to worry about ghosting or stains. Perfect for jotting down quick notes or reminders in a chic way. However, some users pointed out that magnets and markers aren't included, which could be a hassle. But honestly, considering its price and design, you can easily grab some markers and magnets separately without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you want an eye-catching whiteboard that adds elegance to your space. But skip this one if you need a complete set with magnets and markers right out of the box. For the price, this is a stylish and functional option. Now, if you want something even larger and more organized, let's move on to our final product. Product number 5, Marable Black Glass Monthly Dry Erase Calendar. Finally, we have the Marable Black Glass Monthly Dry Erase Calendar, which offers a great combination of functionality and style at $69.99. If you need a planner that keeps your tasks organized while looking sleek, this is one you shouldn't miss. Here's why this matters for you. Measuring 24 inches by 36 inches, it provides ample space for planning out your month, complete with areas for notes and reminders. The sophisticated black and gold design not only looks classy, but also ensures that it's scratch-resistant and easy to clean. However, a few users mentioned that it's not magnetic, which is a downside if you prefer to use magnets to hold papers. But here's the thing, its spacious writing area can compensate for that, allowing you to plan effectively without the clutter of papers stuck to the board. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish way to manage your tasks and schedules. But skip this one if you're set on having a magnetic surface for displaying documents. It's a worthwhile investment for keeping your life organized and looking great. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Amosite Glass Magnetic Dry Erase Board because of its durability and stylish design. But I'd avoid the Marable if you need a magnetic surface. To sum it up, we've looked at 5 fantastic glass whiteboards: the Varhomax for desktop convenience, the Amosite for durability, the Queen Link for sleekness, the Okie Dokie for style, and the Marable for organization. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Amosite Glass Magnetic Dry Erase Board because of its durability and stylish design, but I'd avoid the Marable if you need a magnetic surface. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the